Kids, look what I found in a fun-sized treasure chest. It's the Shopkins So Cool fridge. This is going to be awesome. Let's see what's inside. So, on the back of the box, it says it comes with 1 play set, 2 exclusive Shopkins, 6 mini Shopkins, 2 shopping bags, 2 sticker sheets, and 1 cup. It's going to be awesome. Let's open it up. Okay, so this is everything it came with. We have our 2 sticker sheets, our 2 exclusive little Shopkins, our 2 purple bags, and our cup. And here goes the fridge and freezer. Here goes the 6 little Shopkins. They all have little different faces. Here goes the inside of our fridge. There's a little freezer part. So now let's play with it. Alright, we're going to start by first decorating with some stickers. Here's a little sticker sheet. Let's use the little notepad list. And put it right here. And I like this one. I'll use this one too. Here's a little cupcake queen. A little heart. Oh, I like the little eggs. And we have to put something on the little draw part. We use a little donut. So there goes some of our stickers on there. Alright, so this refrigerator can hold over 25 Shopkins. These are little Shopkins that it comes with, so we're going to put them in first. And we'll fill up the rest of the refrigerator before I show you the freezer with our other Shopkins. We got cheese and we got popsicle. Got some milk. And look, we got a big egg. Here goes one of the big eggs, and here goes one of the little tiny eggs. So there goes some Shopkins in the refrigerator part, and the little egg part goes up and down, makes it easier to get the little eggs out. And this is my favorite part. So here goes the little freezer. You put a little cool cube in there, close it, and then with this little cup, you just push on the blue part, and a little cool cube falls in the cup. I'll show you with the door open. So you put them in there, you press on it, and there it goes. That's my favorite part of this refrigerator. They also have a little drawer part. You can also put a bunch of Shopkins in. They fit in there nicely. And you also have a little side that they fit into. This is definitely a must if you collect Shopkins, if your kid collects Shopkins. This is definitely a must. All these little eggs Have little cute different faces on them. They feel just like the bigger Shopkins. Here goes the last two. Like she's yawning and laughing. Maybe they'll start making mini Shopkins. Maybe that's what this means by having these little ones in the refrigerator. I don't know, but overall, I like it. It stands alone. It doesn't tip. I don't feel it tipping at all. You just gotta remember, if you're gonna close it, you need some space for a little side. This toy is just awesome. I love it. If you love it too, please remember to like and subscribe. Comment below if you want to see even more Shopkins stuff, and let me know. Thanks for watching.